I welcome you again to this episode of Physical Geography, where we are basically talking about weather and climate. And our topic of today is going to focus on the two questions. We have question 6 and question 7. Let's start by question 6. Explain how temperature influences the atmospheric pressure of a certain place. Meaning that we are going to see, depending on the amount of temperature, whether it is high temperature or low pressure, which kind of pressure can be determined by the highest temperature, and which kind of atmospheric pressure can be determined by the lowest temperature. Let's start by here. The areas of high temperature experience low pressure. It means if a place has high temperature, we shall experience with low pressure. Why? Because of the expansion of the air molecules. The air molecules are expanded. When they expand, they cover a very large surface. That's why its pressure may fall or decreases. Next, area of low temperature experience high pressure due to cooling and contraction of air molecules. Meaning that when the air cools and contracted, it will become too heavy. And that's why it's eventually having high pressure. I think this question is very easy and clear to understand. You will notice the two things. The area of high temperature experiences low pressure due to the expansion of air molecules that spread over a large area. And secondly, the area of low temperature experiences high pressure due to the cooling and the contraction of air molecules that spread over a small area. Let's go to question 7. Give one reason to explain why atmospheric pressure decreases with an increase in altitude. Just like the area of high temperature experiences low pressure, while area of low temperature experiences high pressure. But here we have an exception. Remember, the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. Or when you move upwards, the temperature starts decreasing. But here, if on the top of hills you have low temperature, we are going to see why do we have low pressure, yet the temperature is too low. That is what we are going to look at. Points number 1, at the higher level there is poor air molecules, meaning that since the higher level have the poor molecules, this will result into the low pressure at the top of the hills or in the highlands. Secondly, the air is heavier near sea level water than at the higher altitude, meaning that the air near the sea water level, it is too heavy. It has the molecules, the air has molecules that make it be heavier than that of the high altitude. As we said above, that the air at high altitude have poor molecules that make it to weight low, which eventually lead to the low pressure. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get all uploaded related videos. Have a nice time.